Hello and welcome to your Tuesday, November 3rd day weather video weather segment. Other than the far western mountains and some wind in central and south central Wyoming, an absolutely gorgeous and unseasonably warm fall day across Wyoming today. Changes, though, are brewing, and we're going to be looking at a cold trough, Pacific low pressure, starting to move into the state tomorrow. We're also going to be having some cold Canadian air dive southward. We'll be looking at a 1-2 punch across the state over the next 36 to 48 hours. Tonight into early Wednesday, it's the far west and southwest. Then late Wednesday into Thursday, it's south central and southeastern Wyoming's turn for some cold and also snowy weather conditions. Let's jump right into some of the details and forecasts here now. Here's satellite imagery from today, and we have a cold trough of Pacific low pressure across the western United States. And we can tell it's a cold trough of low pressure by the spotty gray cumulus clouds that's over the Pacific Ocean. These cold air cumulus clouds form when you have cold air aloft over warmer sea surface waters. Now, all this is going to be moving east over the next 24 to 36 hours. And currently, there's a little low pressure system out in advance of it across Idaho and western Montana. It's going to be bringing some good snow tonight to the western mountains, and it's going to be cutting off to the northeast on Wednesday. And as it does so, it's then going to pull down some cold Canadian air, and with this trough moving to the east and into the region come Wednesday, and cold Canadian air diving south as well, south central and southeastern Wyoming going to be looking at their first good snowfall of the fall season, and statewide temperatures come late tomorrow on through at least Saturday look to be quite cold. Let's dive right into the details of the forecast here now. Here's your snow forecast map for Wednesday evening into Thursday morning. Back here across the west and northwest tonight, right through early Thursday. Some light to moderate snow with 4 to 7 inches across the mountain passes, 1 to 3 inches in the valley, and also here across southwestern Wyoming from about Rawlins or Wamsutter on west. Do look for some light snow, small accumulations, and some slick and icy conditions tonight. Then late Wednesday through early Thursday, from about Rawlins on east up towards Casper and up through Lingle and the southern section of the Black Hills, some light to moderate snow with the highest impacts expected on the summit between Laramie and Cheyenne and I-80, and also around the Arlington and Elk Mountain area. Likewise, though, much of I-25 late Wednesday night into early Thursday could be looking at some rather treacherous travel. Not a ton of wind associated with this weather system, but by early Thursday morning, higher elevations in south central and southeastern Wyoming could see 3 to 6 inches, with 1 to 3 inches possible across the plains. Now, as we head through Thursday itself, down across southeastern Wyoming, still light snow or snow showers through the midday. We'll be looking at maybe 1 to 3 inches of new snow. Elsewhere, a trace to an inch across portions of central, northwestern, and northeastern Wyoming. Meanwhile, the Bighorn Basin and southwestern Wyoming on Thursday looking generally dry. How about temperatures? Well, for your Wednesday, you'll notice it's much colder than today. Pick out your place of location, and you'll be looking at temperatures anywhere from 15 to 20 degrees colder on Wednesday, with highs occurring in the morning. Thursday, even colder yet. The coldest temps we've seen so far this fall season, with readings going from 15 to 20 degrees above average to 10 to 15 degrees below average. Now for Friday into Saturday, we're pretty much done with the snow. We are in a cold northwesterly flow, though, and there might be a few passing snow showers. Temperatures do stay cold, especially through Friday. Saturday, though, we do start to see somewhat of a rebound back towards more seasonal early November highs and lows, and temperatures continue to moderate even a little further on Sunday. Here are the highlights and major weather trends for the next 36 hours. Snow western mountains tonight through Thursday a.m. Slick roads tonight and Wednesday a.m. southwestern Wyoming. Light to moderate snow in south central and southeastern Wyoming Wednesday evening through midday Thursday. Slick and icy roads I-80, I-25, and adjacent highways Casper to Colorado and Rawlins on Wednesday night and Thursday. And then Friday and Saturday, cold but mostly dry. This concludes your update for today. Tune in to tomorrow and have a great evening and night.